Hello everyone, based on spy photos, the mid-cycle refresh of the 2025 Escalade shows the styling changes that follow the Escalade IQ. The design isn't much different from the current Cadillac Escalade, with the main focus being changes to the headlights and grille. The most interesting, the interior of the 2025 Escalade underwent a complete redesign. The Escalade's signature curved dual-screen setup is replaced with a larger single curved screen that spans the entire width of the dashboard. To provide a clearer picture, we have created an illustration of the new interior and exterior of the 2025 Escalade. You can see it in this video. What do you think about the 2025 Escalade refresh? Do you like the changes? Share your opinion in the comments column. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.